For my product, I decided to do a visual representation on what happens in the process of mountaintop removal and how it affects water. On the left side of my board, I have 3 pictures of mountains before mountaintop removal, and in the middle image, there's an overhead Google image of Letcher County, Kentucky in the year of 2001, and you can see there's already some mountaintop removal occurring. In the middle of my board, I have a cycle of what happens during the process of mountaintop removal and how our water gets contaminated. The first image shows explosives being used to break up the mountain in order to reach the coal. The next 2 images are images of a dump truck dumping the rubble off the side of the mountain, as coal companies will do. After the second dump truck image, there is an image of a mountain stream before it is affected by mountaintop removal, and this represents how rubble gets dumped into streams off the sides of mountains by coal companies. The next image is an eastern Kentucky stream that has been affected by mountaintop removal. I have circled some of the water here, but as you can see, it's orange where the rubble has contaminated the water. The next image is 2 water filters, one that has been used for about 2 weeks and a fresh one. These are the 2 filters that I mentioned previously that Jennifer Howell Massey from Printer, West Virginia was talking about, and she said those filters are supposed to last up to 6 months, but the one on the left only lasted 2 weeks because they get clogged up with so much contaminants. The next image represents some of the water that people will drink after it's been through filters or will come through their sinks if they are living near mountaintop removal sites. And as you can see, there are still contaminants inside even if it has gone through a filter. The final image is a normal glass of water. I put this here to represent that even if water like this gets filtered many times, water will still have contaminants in it. Now you might not see them, but they will still be there. And that is what people are drinking near mountaintop removal sites. The last 2 images are images of mountains after they've been impacted by mountaintop removal. The top image is the same image I showed you earlier from 2001, but in 2018. And as you can see, in Letcher County, there are many more mountaintop removal sites since then.